What's going on, guys? Welcome to Thin Blue Dive. I'm currently sitting on the Maldives Master, which is a yacht with Master Liveaboards. We are on day 4 of this dive trip where we've been doing 3 dives a day. And today I'm going to take y'all on a normal day in the life of diving off of a yacht here in the Maldives. Let's go.
You know I'm a dreamer, but my heart's of gold. I had to run away high, so I wouldn't come home low. Just when things went right, it doesn't mean they were always wrong. Just take this song, and you'll never be left all alone. Take me to your heart, fill me in your bones. Just one more night, and I'm coming on this long and winding road. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, home sweet home. Tonight, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, home sweet home. You know that I've seen too many romantic dreams up in lights falling off the silver screen. My heart's like an open book for the whole world to read. Sometimes nothing keeps me together at the seams. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, home sweet home. Tonight, I'm on my way, just set me free, home sweet home, home sweet home, home sweet home, home sweet home.
Okay, next channel will be Fushi Kandu. You know sushi and Fushi? Yeah. And yeah, have a look. So, Fushi Kandu, it's seabed is a bit more.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last.
Here we have
Wake me up when September ends.
Here the ball is round about 45 feet.
Like my father's come to pass. 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends.